motivation.
Just because they want to. Bro, y'all need to.
No kidding. Idiot. Dump shit everywhere.
They didn't even tie it down.
No, just blocking the road.
See, no, they're just gonna have those people.
Dude! Fuck you.
That'll definitely be going up on the channel.
I don't give a fuck like
Hey, what the fuck was that? You just
Let's go, fucking Super Mac. What is this dumb motherfucker doing? Yeah, I got you on dash cam by now.
what are you gonna do? Yeah, that wasn't like, let me trim it out and fix the
I
style.
would suggest scrunching just a tiny bit of gel up in the morning.
Oh, absolutely.
Give it just a little bit of fluff, and it'll make it feel less short than it is.
Oh yeah, no, absolutely. It's definitely going to be a noticeable cut, more so than I had hoped for. But
Yeah.
I'm not complaining at all. I'm not complaining at
You did
all.
really good. Oh
I stared out his office windows to the space center beyond. A space center that housed mankind's most advanced knowledge of rocketry, yet had still failed to execute today's launch. His mobile rang. His wife again, no doubt worried about him. He let it go to voicemail. He just couldn't face her, or anyone. A chime came from his computer. Passing over, he saw an email from JPL, a relay message from Pathfinder. 1603, Watley. How'd the launch go? Chapter 16. Martinez. Dr. Shields says I need to write personal messages to each of the crew. She says it'll keep me tethered to humanity. I think it's bullshit, but hey, it's normal. With you, I can be blunt. If I die, I need you to check on my parents. If I want to hear about our time on Mars firsthand, I'll need you to do that. It won't be easy talking to a couple about their dead son. It's a lot to ask. That's why I'm asking you.
Yeah,
I tell you you're my best friend and stuff, but it would be lame. I'm not giving up, just planning for every outcome. It's what I do. Guo Ming, director of the China National Space Administration, examined the daunting pile of paperwork at his desk. In the old days, when China wanted to launch a rocket, they just launched it. Now they were compelled by international agreements to warn other nations first. It was a requirement, Guo Ming noted to himself, that did not apply to the United States. To be fair, the Americans publicly announced their launch schedules well in advance, so it amounted to the same thing. He walked a fine line filling out the form, making the launch date and flight path clear while doing everything possible to conceal state secrets. He snorted at the last requirement. Ridiculous, he mumbled. The Taiyang Shen had no strategic or military.
What the hell's he doing? What the fuck? What the fuck are people doing?